Hi there. So this is the hidden battery which will go inside the frame. So it is 48 volt, 10.5 amps. As you can see, it's Samsung lithium cells. So yes, we are going to install it inside. You need to open the lock. Hold the bike and it goes in the shape where you can see the pins coming up on the other side, and then fold it back, or straighten it back, lock the frame so that it is secure. Then it need to go, there is a key installed at the bottom. So if you look at it, if I show you, when you turn the key, you can see the lock here. It's moving. It's unlocked. It's locked. When it is locked, the battery can't be removed. Okay, and so tighten the lock, secure the lock so that it doesn't come off. If this is not secured, usually it affects the stability of the frame. So make sure you lock the frame very securely, and the key is at the bottom.